Who's coming for it? It's a 2020 Ford Explorer ST black on black. Only has 42,000 miles. You get a 400 horsepower all-wheel drive SUV that's just so fun to drive. Check it out on johnsonmotors.com. Type in 919378. All right, let's take a peek at this. You have the 20-inch painted wheels, painted mirrors and handles. Does have the auto start. Dual chrome tipped exhaust. Equipped already with the tow package on there. Auto start. Power lift gate. Nice storage in the back. This third row seat is power fold. Really good shape. Has a wet weather mats in here. Bucket seats in that second row that are heated seats as well. Gas tank on the driver's side, which is convenient if you ask me. Really love the door handles, the storage, and nice step pad here for people to get in and out of, or even pets. Storage in the back of the driver's and passenger seat. There's your climate control for the back with the heated seat, power points. Panoramic roof, so everybody gets to enjoy the view. I have the key in my hand, so again, driver has easy access. This armrest is in a perfect spot too. 8-way power seat, lumbar support. Again, Ford performance all over this vehicle. If you don't feel it, you'll definitely see it. LCD screen for your tech speedometer. 8-inch LCD touchscreen for your voice activated navigation and other systems. I really like the volume controllers are down here with your climate control. Storage that is hidden with USB, USB-C, and power points in there. Take advantage of the different types of drive modes. As far as sport, normal, icy condition, off-road, park assist, auto start and stop, lockable storage inside. Again, more power points in there. Schedule a test drive today by just giving me a call at 715-293-3189. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll keep these beautiful vehicles coming as quickly as I can.